Hare Krishna. Welcome back to our channel. This is a Panihati Dham Mahotsav special video. Let's make Cida Dahi for our lordships. Cida means chipped rice and Dahi means curd. These two were the main ingredients for this recipe. For this, you need flattened rice, raisins and cashew nuts. I have also took Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti is made up of unripe papaya fruit. 1 mango, curd, then bananas, also sugar. Put some sugar in a mixer jar, add 2 cardamom and then make powder. Remove the skin of the fruits and cut them into pieces. Also nuts and tutti frutti of 3 different colors. I have washed this chipped rice 3 times and drained the water. Now add hot milk. You can see the steam of milk. Mix it well and keep it rest for 30 minutes. Take a big mixing bowl, add curd and whisk well until froth comes. Now add sugar and powdered cardamom and mix well until it completely soluble. You can see more froth is coming and also can see more bubbles. Now gradually add cut pieces of mangoes and bananas and mix them very gently. Then add nuts and tutti frutti and mix gently. At last, add the soaked Cida into it. Mix. That's it. Our Cida Dahi is ready for offering. As you know already, I have painted my Panihati pot. I will mention the Panihati pot painting in the description box. Transfer them into this pot and put tulsi leaf offer to Lord. Happy Danda Mahotsav. Panihati Dham ki jai ho.